bound by the same dreams, same hope, and a single heartbeat. Bringing to this venue some of the major tribes of Meghalaya, the Garos, Khasis, Jalpias, Raukas, Hajaus, Koch, Boros, Bengalis and Nepalis, together proving that when we sing as one, we sing as a nation. Please welcome Tura Music Academy. Tura Music Academy ni Dengpang Manta ia sauna pating rang arsang mani kari menggit ko kanai rangna.
Sudah cakap dah. Sama lah.
Sudah suara. Dah mau sudah yang mana? Yang tu, ni boleh mana?
The troops emerge from the chief's house after performing rituals. Leading them is the Matgut, the village warrior, ever vigilant and ready to protect the community. He embodies strength, protection, and male power, carrying the sepi and malam, weapons used for both offense and defense. With an extended hand and go on with their dance steps. Ajay Marua. Wangala was performed for the first time in the underworld. At that time, it was Ajema or the